Alright, you welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. I tell you, real talk, if today is your first time you are coming on to this channel, I say subscribe, like, copy the link and share for those others they've not seen this channel so that they can subscribe, because we've got a lot of content in here they benefit from. And if you're a returning subscriber, please don't forget to copy the link also. So in other words, you guys should hit on the notification button so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. And let me tell you, real talk, hear me? Don't forget, we ship everywhere. We ship everywhere. UK, Canada, Europe, US, Asia country, and all Africa country around us. We ship everywhere. Even in this country, we deliver everywhere. That is what they know us for. You hear me? And then we have our own product also. We sell it. We have nice product. Yeah. You can check us on our Instagram. You can check us on our Instagram. Okay. AY Cosmetic Nigeria. You can check us on Facebook as well, AY Cosmetic Nigeria. Okay, so we remain on that. So don't forget that we've just said a lot of things, but aside that, I want to introduce something very new to you. Ta-da! You see? Wow! This is what we call magic wash. Magic wash. Look at it. Yes, this is our magic wash, a new brand that we just introduced to our collection. So you can see the magic wash. Look at it. It's made of alpha arbutin and collagen and also some other vitamin that you can really kind of like, they should be in your lotion, your body wash, your soap and all that. Are you getting it? This body wash, I tell you, it have a tendency that you can really get white in 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks to 3 weeks. You see it now? Yes. Only us we do this. Only us we do this. And no blemishes, no stains, no spot. I tell you, it's gonna take off every damages from your skin. Ain't gonna smooth your skin. You see it now? Yes, they call it magic wash, or you can call it alpha arbutin magic wash. Okay, but basically the real name is magic wash. Are you getting it? And it's AYA Cosmetic Collection. It's our product. You see, a lot of people, they've been using it since we introduced this, and it's really working fine. It's really working fine for everybody using this wash. Are you getting it? It take away every redness, it take away every spot, and it make your body smooth. You turn to newborn baby. You can count on it. In 2 weeks you can white. So look, this is what you use. Are you getting it? Every irritation, every melasma, anything in your inflammatory in your body, where it is even in your armpits that you cannot tell anybody, in your thighs, this wash cleans everything and it remove everything, become white. Are you getting it? You can count on it. Magic wash. Magic wash. Magic wash. All right, that is that. So once again, we've come to the end of this review. Okay, I told you what it's been made of: collagen and what again, alpha arbutin, vitamins, and like C, vitamin E, and all the ones like he do what he says he do. Wow. So okay, we've come to the end of the class. Don't forget, I remain AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Go for this as I speak to you now. I'm not gonna say the finish, alright? So don't forget, we ship everywhere: US, Canada, UK, Asia country, and other Africa country. Even this country, we deliver everywhere. Don't forget, except Libya. We don't go to Libya, okay? So that is us for you. We say bye-bye.